Number 1 Sunscreen. The Caribbean is known for its beautiful beaches and sunny weather, so sunscreen is an essential item to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Number 2 Insect repellent. Mosquitoes and other insects can be a problem in the Caribbean, especially during the rainy season. Be sure to bring a good insect repellent to avoid bites. Number 3 Lightweight clothing. The Caribbean is a warm and humid region, so pack lightweight, breathable clothing that will keep you cool and comfortable. Number 4 Swimwear. With so many beautiful beaches and swimming spots in the Caribbean, a good swimsuit is a must. Number 5 Sunglasses. Protect your eyes from the bright Caribbean sun with a good pair of sunglasses. Number 6 Hat. A hat is also a good way to protect your face and scalp from the sun, while also keeping you cool. Number 7 Waterproof phone case. Whether you plan to spend time in the water or just want to protect your phone from the elements, a waterproof phone case is a great investment. Number 8 Snorkeling gear. The Caribbean is home to some of the best snorkeling and diving spots in the world, so consider packing your own snorkeling gear to save money and ensure good fit. Number 9 Power bank. A power bank is a handy accessory for keeping your devices charged on the go, especially if you plan to spend time outdoors or on the beach. Number 10 Light portable luggage. Lightweight and portable luggage will make it easier to navigate through airports and transport your belongings from one destination to another in the Caribbean. Number 11 Reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated in the hot and humid Caribbean climate is essential, and bringing a reusable water bottle will help you cut down on plastic waste while keeping you refreshed. Number 12 Portable Bluetooth speaker. Whether you want to listen to music on the beach or create a party atmosphere in your hotel room, a portable Bluetooth speaker is a great item to have on hand. Number 13 Lightweight waterproof backpack. A backpack is a handy way to carry all of your essentials while exploring the Caribbean, and a waterproof option will protect your belongings from unexpected rain showers or water activities. Number 14 Travel adapter. The Caribbean uses a mix of different electrical outlets, so bring a travel adapter to ensure that you can charge your devices without any problems. Number 15 Travel journal. The Caribbean is a beautiful and inspiring place, so consider bringing a travel journal to capture your memories. Jot down notes about the places you visit and document your experiences for posterity. Number 16 First aid kit. A basic first aid kit can be a lifesaver in case of minor injuries or illnesses, and it's always a good idea to have one on hand when traveling. Number 17 Waterproof camera. The Caribbean is home to some of the most stunning beaches and marine life in the world, so a waterproof camera is a great investment to capture all of your underwater adventures. Number 18 Beach towel. A lightweight and quick-drying beach towel is a useful item to have when spending time on the beach or by the pool. Number 19 Comfortable walking shoes. The Caribbean is a great place to explore on foot, so pack a pair of comfortable walking shoes that will keep your feet happy during long walks and hikes. Number 20 Travel-sized toiletries. Packing travel-sized toiletries will help you save space in your luggage while still ensuring that you have all of the essential items you need, such as shampoo, conditioner, and toothpaste.